came to know about how to attend call of doctors. We are going to call a doctor. We have to know that what is the timing of doctor when he will be free. Before going to the doctor, we have to keep in mind that which product we are going to show him, or what is the advantage, what is the molecular name.
We met some ASM and a few medical representatives. So I think this class will build our understanding of how to make a call.
Hello everyone. So we are at SSKM right now with the current batch who are on the verge of completing the medical representative training program. আমরা ফিল্ডে নিয়ে আসি so that they are having a better understanding of the job profile, lifestyle of a medical representative, so that they can interact with few representatives, they can interact with few manager. আমাদের ম্যানেজার থাকে যেটা গাইড করে, as well as if they are able to we are able to make it a point where they are able to see how actually doctor calls happens. তো এটার জন্যই কারেন্ট স্টুডেন্টসগুলোকে আমরা নিয়ে এসেছিলাম, সব ব্যাচকে 1 by 1 নিয়ে আসি। চলুন ব্যাচের স্টুডেন্ট থেকেই 1 by 1 জেনে নিই what did they learn, was this session actually productive for them, was there anything new that they learned today, and is it going to help them? 1 by 1 we are going to discuss. So we will start with Dibyani, existing students of batch 87. Hi Dibyani.
Hello.
আচ্ছা, আজকের ইন্টারাকশনের ব্যাপারে কিছু জানান। আজকের ইউ হ্যাড মার্কেট সেশন wherein you are at SSKM, তো আজকে কি হলো আর কেমন লাগলো?
Today's session was very good and we learned about how to call with doctor.
Did you interacted with medical representative and managers?
Yeah.
Okay, so you saw their lifestyle, how your lifestyle will be in the coming days, right? So did you interacted with doctor?
No.
You are not able to interact with doctor. So how was overall experience today?
Today's experience was very good.
Thank you very much, Divyani. Now we will move to Shayantan. Shayantan is also the student of existing batch. Hi Shayantan.
Hello sir, my name is Shayantan Roy. Today we came to a program which was arranged in SSKM hospital. We got a chance to interact with many MRs as well as ASMs. So we came to know about how to attend call of doctors, and we also came to know about little other things that we have to keep our patience to meet the doctors. Patience is a must, and due to a lot of patience we were unable to watch clearly about the call, but we arranged see the calls. It was very much helpful to us.
All right. Thank you very much, Shayantan, for your wonderful feedback. Now we'll move to Ram. Hi.
Hello everyone, my name is Akash Ram and I am from batch number 87. Today we have learned many things that before calling what we have to do and what we have not to do. Like if we are going to call a doctor, we have to know that what is the timing of doctor when he will be free. Before going to the doctor, we have to keep in mind that which product we are going to show him, or what is the advantage, what is the molecular name.
So the idea was bit clear about the field work today, right?
Yeah.
Did you interacted with any? Did you see any call?
Yeah, I have seen one call. Since it is a corporate call, so the MR has not got the time to interact with the doctor more. So he has just shown the visual and.
Okay, so that was a type of a call that happened in corporate institutes due to
the
COVID.
product is related to ortho.
So you had a clear idea how the work profile is over here, right? And you are also able to interact with medical representative and managers of Lupin and other Wallace and other companies, right? So how would you rate this interaction into your training program? Is it helpful?
Yeah, it is very helpful because reading book is a different thing, and an activity and seeing this is a different thing.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Ram, for your feedback. Now we'll move to Raju Shah. Hi, Raju.
Hi sir, my name is Raju. I am from 87 batch.
Yes. So how was your today's experience, Raju?
My experience is very good. When
before we go to interview, I interact with few MR and SM, and they are told me how to conversation with your interviewer, and how to interact with your manager and MR. So
Right, so
it is
you-
very helpful for me.
So this practical session has actually helped you to have a better understanding of the job
Better
profile,
understand
right?
for this job.
Great. We wish you all the best, Raju, for your ongoing training
Thank you, sir.
and interview calls ahead. Coach, hi, Swapnanil.
Hello, sir.
So, Swapnanil, if you can just say about your today's interaction.
Actually,
and
today's class was mainly about market visit, where we get to know how to make a call, especially in a corporate environment. And there were some discrepancies which we corrected in due course. And we met some ASM and a few medical representatives. So I think this class will build our understanding of how to make a call generally.
Right. So, if you talk about the other classes of your batch, you are about to complete your session. If you talk about the other classes of your batch, how would you rate the training program overall? Your training is, the overall training program, the
Overall
theoretical and practical including both.
Overall training program is good. Quite a, I will say Endeavour is the best because day-to-day doubts are resolved, and we get practical experience, which is very much important to become a medical representative or to start as a medical representative.
So today's session has helped you to understand the job profile in a better way.
Yeah, obviously.
Interaction.
Yes,
Yes.
this is a practical visit, so it's a helpful thing.
Right, Swapnanil. Thank you very much for your feedback. We wish you all the best for the upcoming interviews.
Thank you, sir.
We will now move to Saurav Karmakar. Hi, Saurav.
Hi sir, my name is Saurabh Karmakar, and I learned from this class is very much helpful for experience, and this
Today's session was very much interactive. We maintained social distancing during the interactions, and we interacted with people and doctors. So, do you think this is going to help you to understand the job profile in a better way?
yes really is helpful, and we learn something that we help from our jobs.
Alright, so how would you rate the overall training that Endeavour
Very good,
provides?
sir. It's getting this.
Thank you very much. We wish you all the best for the upcoming interviews. Have a great day. Now we will move to Amit. He is the student of the same batch, and he was again there who interacted with the doctor, as well as he also been to the distributor house. So how was the overall experience, Amit?
So experience is very good, and I make learn some new for this opportunity, and I visit call. I saw how call doctors and meet the new MR's friends, and I think this was good experience for me.
How was your visit at the distributor house?
Distributor house is I visit. Experience is so good.
But a little more learning would have been
Yeah, sir.
better.
Better.
Due to COVID restrictions, they were not allowing the session over there. So we will try to upgrade, the training program in such a way so that we are also able to make arrangements so that all our students are able to interact with the distributors as well in the due courses. So overall, how would you rate this training program?
Sir, I rate it very good, sir. And 5 out of 5, sir.
Thank you very much for your review. We wish you all the best for your upcoming interviews and
Thank you,
stay
sir.
connected.
Thank you.
So thank you very much everyone for viewing this. This was a student of the existing batch who are about to complete their medical representative training program, and we took them for the field interaction. It was total 3 to 4 hour session, and they got to know a little bit more about the practical exposure that a medical representative should have. At last, I would like to appeal to all the medical pharma sales professionals, area sales manager and regional managers. If you are in need of medical representatives, you can also give opportunity to the fresh medical representatives from Endeavour, because we train them in such a way that you actually have to work very less. You can just give them product training, make them understand the strategies, and they'll start performing for you. So everybody was freshers, they are too, but I'm sure they are not going to be fresher for long with all your support and help. Thank you very much. Stay connected. We'll be back again soon with a new video.